we've arrived safely in Shanghai. The taxi driver didn't understand us at all. It was kind of scary, if I'm honest.
I don't know how you don't be a taxi driver and don't understand Disneyland Hotel.
But anyway, we're here, Shanghai Disneyland Hotel. We'll show you it more in the morning, I guess. This is our room. We've got a view of Tron out the back and the lake, but obviously I can't really show you that now because it'll just be one light. I'll show you it in the morning. Cool. That's our view. You can see the Donald Duck down there.
First floor, here we are.
So today is our chill day, first day, and we're gonna
take till like 2:30, 3.
So we're gonna hit the shops, downtown Disney, and then check out the hotel. Let's do this. So we went and got Cheesecake Factory and got the 30th anniversary. Charles
Salt caramel smoosh.
Yeah, smoosh. Yep, and we're sitting in bed watching Tarzan. Fresh. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, that was so cool. I want to do it again.